Hey, you guys, welcome back. I hope you had a great spring break. I know that I sure did. Just laid around for a little bit, baked, believe it or not. I baked some really delicious things. I made some Oreo truffles. It was great. But here we go, back with some math. Go ahead and open your math book to page 555. We are going to analyze bar graphs today. Okay, so the directions say to survey 10 people. Once again, can't really do that right now unless you have 10 people living at your house. And we're going to ask them which dinner is the healthiest. We are going to make a bar graph. So go ahead and read the dinner choices with me. So we have chicken and broccoli, yum, pizza, spaghetti, and milk and cookies. Now, the question is, which dinner do you think is the healthiest? Not which dinner you prefer, right? Or you like best. It's which one you think is healthiest, okay? So, when asked 10 people what they thought was the healthiest, we had 6 people, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, thought chicken and broccoli were. One person thought pizza was. And 3 people thought spaghetti was. 0. 0 for milk and cookies. I mean, I guess unless you're eating like coconut flour, oatmeal cookies with non-fat milk. I don't know. That could happen. You could make it the healthiest. Probably wouldn't be the healthiest dinner, though. That might be like a healthy dessert. Breakfast even, but maybe not dinner. Okay, so how many people liked chicken and broccoli? Well, we don't even have to count the boxes because in our tables, it kind of just shows us already the numbers. So if we just look up to see where the end is, we know that that was 6. And for pizza was 1. And for spaghetti, we had 3. And for milk and cookies, we had 0. Okay, so go ahead and turn the page. See and show. Owen, go ahead and read it with me so I'm not the only one reading here. And I can hear you, by the way. So Owen surveyed his class about their favorite ice cream flavors. Then he made a bar graph to show the data. So favorite ice cream flavor: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or mint. No. They did this totally wrong. It should have been their favorite Ben & Jerry's ice cream flavors: caramel sutra, chocolate brownie. What's the one with the cookie dough called? Oh, there's one with the cookie dough. I really like that one too. I don't know. They should have used Ben & Jerry's, but they didn't, so we'll deal. So here they have the tallies, which we learned how to count in a previous lesson. And so here they showed you the favorite ice cream flavors, but they want to know how many kids he surveyed in total. How many did he ask is what they're asking you to do. Not what their favorite was, it's just how many did he ask total. And so in order to know how many he asked total, we'll have to count up the tallies for that, okay? Or you could come up here and look at, that's 7 plus 3, but it's the same over here, plus 5 plus 6. And so in total, Owen surveyed 21 classmates. So you can just trace over that 21. So use the bar graph above to complete the sentences. Now we'll answer questions about the bar graph. So the flavor with the least votes is, so go ahead and look at your bar graph and answer what flavor had the least votes. Aw, poor Vanilla. Vanilla. But let me tell you something about vanilla ice cream. Even though it had the least amount of votes, if you make an apple pie, you're not going to put strawberry ice cream over that apple pie. No, you're going to put vanilla ice cream over the apple pie. So vanilla ice cream really is like the staple food, like the important flavor, because we use it for desserts and other things. So poor vanilla. Number 2, chocolate received 2 more votes than, so chocolate had 2 more votes than some other flavor. What other flavor was that? Chocolate had 2 more than this flavor. So you have to find the flavor that had 2 less than chocolate. So when I look at my bar graph, which one had 2 less than chocolate? Well, this one only has 1 less. Oh, here we go, 2 less. That would be, yep, you got it, strawberry. So we'll write strawberry. Now, number 3, what 2 flavors did 11 students vote for? So there wasn't one that had 11. So what 2 flavors did 11 students vote for? And there's the clue. What 2 flavors? So there are 2 flavors that when you add them up, gives you 11. So which 2 were those? So that means we have to find one that had something plus something gives me 11. Well, chocolate plus vanilla, 7 plus 3, that gives me 10. 7 plus 5 for strawberry, that gives me 12. And 7 plus 6. So it definitely isn't chocolate, because if I add chocolate with any of these, it's going to be over 11. So we have to move on to the next one. So vanilla, we have 3 plus 5, that would be 8. Then we have 3 plus 6, that'd be 9. So we know it's not that one. So let's move on to strawberry. So we have 5 plus 3, that's 8. 5 plus 6, 11. Yay! So it was strawberry and mint. So then you would write strawberry and mint. Okay, so if you need to, go ahead and rewatch this video if parts of it didn't make sense. If not, go ahead and do the on my own, which are pages 557 and 558. If you have any questions about any of this, you can ask me tomorrow during office hours. So I hope to see you guys soon.